Welcome everyone. So look at this is another problem. Ga wata problem da mun ƙara kawo ita ma da wadda ta shahi limit din shi. Kusan tana da alaƙa da waccan wanda muka yi. So amma there is some abin nan kawai idan wannan root din ne kila wani ya samu issue da shi but we will explain it. Now look at this. Now muna su buƙatar knowledge, you require the word application of knowledge of what indices to tackle this problem. Muna buƙatar ilimin indices wajen solve wannan problem. Kada mu manta cewa indices, we know that if you have what is the square root of a in indices is a power half. And what is what? What is cube root of a is what? A power 1 all over 3. What is the fourth root of a is a power 1 over 4. What is n's root of a is a power 1 all over n. Understand? Yes, whatever you can just take it as what? As the form. Yes, 1 all over the root. Understand? Again, if you have this, a power minus 1 is what? 1 all over a. Don't forget that. If you have a power minus 2, it is something as what? 1 all over a power 2. Continuously, if you have a to the fourth minus n, so this is what? 1 all over a power n. Do you understand this? So you need to recall all this. You know, you recall one in the system. So let's start. So look at this. So this is what? This is equal to, this implies that, okay, it's the same, it's equal to limit as s approaches infinity. How can I write this for easy understanding? This is the something as x power 1 all over 3. Cube root of x is x power 1 over 3. Recall, indices. Fifth root of x is what? X power 1 all over 5. And what is this? X power 1 all over 3 plus fifth root of x is what? X power 1 all over 5. So now, wannan haka zai fi sauƙin ganewa in muka cire root din muka sassa power. So kamar yadda muka ce shine idan zamu yi dealing the limit as x approaches infinity or minus infinity, we would have make our what? Bring our concentration to the denominator. Mu maido la'akarin mu kawai a nan denominator. How many terms do we have? We have 2 terms, this and this. To say we do, which one is our variable is x. Ina ne take the highest power? X power 1 over 3 and x power 1 over 5. Ina ne take the highest power? Is 1 over 3 greater than 1 over 5? Or is 1 over 3 less than 1 over 5? Take note, 1 by 3 is always greater than 1 by 5. This is order of the fraction. You have the same numerator. So as soon as you increase the denominator, definitely the fraction will what? Will decrease. The value of the fraction will decrease. Ɗaya ce nan, naira ɗaya ce aka ce ka ba mutum uku. Kowa zai samu nawa kenan? 0.33, something like this. 0.333333. Nan kuma 1 aka ce ka raba ma mutum nawa? Biyar. I think it's 0.2 something like that. So one is always greater than this. In a practice, you have 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. This one is greater than this. Saboda uku ce za a raba ma mutum biyar, nan kuma uku ce za a raba ma mutum bakwai. So nan inda za a raba masu uku, su biyar ne za a raba masu uku, kowa sai ya yi samu zan inda za a raba ma mutum bakwai uku. Maybe kila kun fahimci me nake yi ko? Misali sai na bada naira 1000 sai na ce a raba ma mutum biyar, nan kuma sai na bada naira 1000 sai na ce a raba ma mutum 10. Nan naira 1000 na ce a raba naira 1000 na ce a raba ma mutum biyar. Kowa zai samu nawa? 100. Amma nan sai na ce a raba ma mutum 10, kowa zai samu nawa? 100. Kun gane? So 1 over 3 is greater than 1 over 5. Please. So ya zamu kenan? Then we divide both numerator and denominator by what? X power 1 over 3, being it the greater, the largest. Kongani kasancewa shi shine girma ya wannan girma. Kongani? So we divide both numerator and denominator by what? X power 1 over 3. So we have what? Limit as x approaches, does this imply that approaches infinity of what? X power 1 over 3, we divide by what? X power 1 over 3. Minus x power 1 over 5, we divide by what? X power 1 over 3. Then we divide by what? Again, x power 1 over 3, we divide by x power 1 all over 3. Plus x power 1 over 5, we divide by x power 1 all over 3. Get abin da ke nan mun yi divided din shi da x power 1 over 1, nan mun yi divided din da x power 1 over 3, wannan ma mun yi divided din da x power 1 over 3, komi nan mun yi divided din shi by x power 1 all over 3. So yanzu nan muna buƙatar mu apply ne knowledge of indices again. Remember this law, which says if you have a power m, you divide by a power n. Kai divided indices guda biyu, they have the same base. It's the same thing as what? You check one base, which is a, and then what? Write the power of the word numerator, which is m. Then minus power of the what? Denominator. Or take the power of the dividend by the power of what? You subtract the power of the what? Divisor minus what? N. You have the same base. Here can we base that. Say can we power na sama, say ke minus power na kasa, as far as the bases are the same. So what is the rule that I apply? So this is what? Limit as x approaches what? Infinity. What do you think? We have the same basis here. So we have x power 1 all over 3 minus 1 all over 3. Look at this. Power na sama is 1 over 3. Na kasa is 1 over 3, so mine we subtract it. Minus, we have the same base here. So x power 1 all over 5, power na sama minus power na kasa, minus 1 all over 3. Divide by the same here. We apply the same here. The bases are the same, which is x. Power na sama is what? 1 all over 3 minus power na kasa. We have 1 all over 3 plus the same base. 1 base. Power na sama is what? 1 over 5. 1 over 5 minus 1 all over 3. So what do we have? Limit as x approaches infinity of what? What do we have here? We have x power 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is what? 0. Minus x power, look at 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. What is the LCM of 5 and 3? 15. 5 into 15, 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3 into 15, 5 times 1, 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 all over what? 15. Or you can just say 3 times 1, 3 minus 5 times this. You have what? 5 all over this times this. You get the same answer. So what do we have? 1 over 5 minus 1 over 3. As simplified, there is minus 2 all over 15. By what? X power 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3, you have 0 plus x power minus 2 all over 15 as above. So what do we have? Limit as x approaches infinity of what? X power 0. Any status to the power of 0 is what? 1. Minus, how can I write this? Look at this. 1 all over x power x power 2 all over 15. If you have a power minus n, it's 1 all over a power n, positive n. So I have x power minus 2 over 15. So to get rid of this minus, then if I do the minus, and 1 all over x power 2 over 15. So divide by x power 0 is what? 1 plus, you see? What is this? Again, I can write it as what? 1 all over what? X power 2 all over 15. Understand? So this is the same thing as what? Sorry. So we can evaluate now simply because we have terms that doesn't have a variable here. So we can plug our infinity here. We have 1 minus 1 all over. What is this? Infinity power 2 all over something is still what? Infinity. 1 plus 1 all over. What is this? Infinity power whatever. We have what? We have infinity. So what do we have now? 1 minus 1 divided by infinity, 0. Divide by 1 plus 1 divided by infinity, 0. So what do we have left? 1 all over 1, which is equal to 1. Understand? Thank you very much.